In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Google Translate in Google Chrome. This is a wonderful feature that can be incredibly helpful if you often find yourself browsing websites in languages other than your own. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to seamlessly translate web pages directly within your browser, making your surfing experience smoother and more accessible. To start, open Google Chrome on your computer. Now, unlike many programs, Chrome uses a few distinct symbols for navigation. In the top right corner of your browser window, you'll see 3 vertical dots. This is known as the menu icon. Go ahead and click those 3 dots. This icon is your gateway to a myriad of options that help you customize and control your Chrome browsing experience. Once you've clicked on the 3-dot menu, a drop-down list will appear. From here, select Settings. This is where all of Chrome's built-in features and preferences are managed. Clicking here takes you to a new tab. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with what's here, as it offers a wealth of customization options and settings for your browser. Look to the left-hand side of your screen now. You'll see a vertical list of options. Scan through these until you find Languages. Click on this option. This section specifically deals with how Google Chrome handles languages within the browser. It's relatively straightforward, making it easy to turn features on or off depending on your needs. Now, within the Languages section, focus your attention on Google Translate. This tool is brilliantly designed to automatically translate web pages into your preferred language. To enable this, you want to turn on the feature called Use Google Translate. Simply toggle the switch to the on position. Once you do so, you'll notice that Google Chrome will immediately take this change into consideration, and there's no need for a manual save. Chrome takes care of that for you. This simple change means whenever you wander onto a foreign language site, Chrome will offer to translate the page for you. This can save you from installing additional translation extensions and provides an easy solution for reading content from around the world. And there you have it. With Google Translate activated, browsing on Chrome becomes a breeze, especially when it comes to accessing and understanding content in multiple languages. Remember, if you ever wish to turn off this feature for any reason, you can simply navigate back to these settings and toggle it off. Where language once presented a barrier, Google Translate now offers you a bridge. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you find this tool as practical as many users do. Happy browsing!